Andrew Municipal Corporation in recognizing that winning the Miss World beauty pageant is considered amongst the highest and most celebrated honors in the world. And the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, in acknowledging citizens who have attained notable and incomparable honors in every field of endeavor, the Council of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, led by His Worship the Mayor, Senator and Councillor Delroy Williams, in recognition of this awesome, historic, and inspiring achievement of our own Toni-Ann Singh, on her winning the prestigious 2019 Miss World beauty pageant, shall, at the next regular sitting of Council, ratify a resolution to confer the keys to the city of Kingston on Miss Toni-Ann Singh Miss World 2019. In so doing, the Council has agreed to expedite this conferment and shall today, Saturday, December 21st, in the year of our Lord 2019, confer the keys to the city of Kingston on Miss Toni-Ann Singh Miss World 2019. I am Robert H.B. Hill, JP, Chief Executive Officer of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. I now invite His Worship the Mayor to present the keys to the city of Kingston to Miss Toni-Ann Singh Miss World 2019.
Toni-Ann.